guys, and welcome back to the channel. Dad Jams, where me and old dad reacts to music videos and live performances from the 90s, early 2000s, and some from today. We have a great time. I give you my professional opinion, because I'm a professional, obviously, and then I give it a Dad Jam score, which is all that matters, right? So, today, guys, 1994 smash hit. I'm talking smash hit. Took over the world. World tours, globe tours, and then of course, as far as I know, they kind of came out with no money. They got completely ripped off of all their money by the record labels, whatever, supposedly. Who knows? TLC, Waterfalls. Now, this thing was all over MTV and VH1 every single day, all day long. I mean, and I remember the dance. I did it perfectly, as you can see. Don't go. Oh no, wait, it was this. Don't go, right? Anyways, I remember the music video. I know the song, obviously, but it's been a long time. It's got over 141 million views on YouTube. I have no idea how many listens. Yes, I do. 305 million listens on Spotify. So it's still a big hit, guys. But first, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit that link below. Also, anything you want me to react to, put it in the comments. TLC, Waterfalls, let's get after it. If I remember this correctly, it was kind of a sad video. Oh yeah, look at that technology. It's like right out of Terminator 2. Guys, before they even start singing, who is your favorite member of TLC? Who was it? Mine was Chili. Chili by far. Didn't she marry Usher or something? I don't remember. I mean, they were the biggest group in the world. Oh, not listening to his mom. Going out with the bad guys in the Mercedes. Mom's just like, what am I supposed to do? Forgot about this. Oh no, what's gonna happen? That guy's been in movies. Mom's trying to stop him. Thinks he knows what he's doing. Yeah, that's fucked up, man. All right. I forgot how sad this song was, right? And the music video. But, Waterfalls. I mean, stick to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to. Don't go chasing these waterfalls. It's just gonna get you in trouble, right? Life lessons from TLC. From T-Boz, Chili, and Left Eye. Rest in peace, Left Eye. What a voice, right? A little raspy. So good. All right, where we going now? California, probably. Doesn't feel good. There's a lesson, young people. There's a lesson. Looked like she knew. That look on her face. Oh shit, there they are. That's water. Water people. I mean, I could be a dancer. They need backup dancers, TLC.
Come on. I seen a rainbow yesterday, but too many storms have come and gone, leaving a trace of not one God-given ray. Is it because my life is 10 shades of gray? I pray all 10 fade away, seldom praise him for the 7 days. And like his promise is true, only my faith can undo the many chances I blew to bring my life to an end. Clear blue and unconditional skies have dried the tears from my eyes, no more lonely cries. My only and hope is for the folk who can't cope with such an enduring pain that it keeps them in the pouring rain. Who's to blame for two and gain into your own vein? What a shame you shoot and aim for someone else's brain. You claim the insane and aim to stay in time for falling prey to crime. I say the system got you victim to your own mind. Dreams are hopeless aspirations and hopes are coming true. Believe in yourself, the rest is up to me and you.
Believe in yourself, guys. Left Eye. Why was her name Left Eye? Anybody of you guys know? Is that the mom? Devastating. As a dad, I know. That'd be devastating. Gone. Oh, she died too. Oh, shit. TLC, Waterfalls. Now, I didn't say this while the video was going, but those jeans they were wearing in the water looked like Jankos. I don't know. I don't think they are Jankos, but they look like Jankos. Oliver Tree, Janko jeans, TLC, 1994. I've been telling you guys, the 90s are back. It all is tied together. That being said, guys, TLC Waterfalls, I enjoyed it. Again, the nostalgia. It wasn't that great of a video, but it told a story. I would give it a Dad Jam score 7.1. TLC Waterfalls 7.1. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you want me to react to, and I'll see you in the next one.